What if I told you that the price of a fancy dinner out each week could make you a millionaire? That while most people are spending $500 on things they'll forget about in a month, you could be building a fortune that lasts a lifetime? Today, I'm going to show you the exact 3 funds that could turn your daily coffee money into over $6.9 million. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is math, this is history, and this is your roadmap to financial freedom. We're talking about reaching millionaire status in as little as 19.3 years with just $500 a month. Let me paint you a picture. It's 2005. Sarah, a 25-year-old teacher, decides to invest $500 every month instead of upgrading her lifestyle. Her friends think she's crazy. Who wants to live like a college student when you have a real job, right? They're buying new cars, getting bigger apartments, taking expensive vacations. Meanwhile, Sarah keeps driving her old Honda and investing that $500 religiously every single month. Fast forward to today, Sarah is sitting on over $2 million while her friends are still living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where their money went. Before we dive into these 3 millionaire-making funds, hit that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Because the strategies I share on this channel have already helped thousands of people start their journey to financial freedom, and I don't want you to miss a single wealth-building video. The strategy I'm about to show you isn't theoretical. It's based on verified data from Vanguard, Schwab, and Invesco, the actual fund companies. We're talking about real performance numbers, real historical returns, and real paths to wealth. These aren't some obscure investments that only Wall Street insiders know about. These are funds that anyone can buy with just a few clicks on their phone. So let's break down these 3 funds that could completely change your financial future. Meet VTI. Think of it as owning a tiny piece of every single publicly traded company in America. When you buy VTI, you're not just betting on one company or one sector, you're betting on America itself. This fund is currently trading at $328.44 with over $540 billion in assets under management. That's not a typo. $500 billion. To put that in perspective, that's more than the GDP of most countries. This year alone, VTI has gained 14.07%, and over the past decade, it's averaged 13.14% annual returns. Here's what makes VTI so powerful. Your money is automatically spread across Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, the companies that literally run our daily lives. But here's the beautiful part. You also own thousands of smaller companies too. Every time someone buys an iPhone, shops on Amazon, or uses Microsoft Office, you're making money. When a small startup in Ohio creates the next big innovation, you own a piece of that too. You're essentially buying a slice of the entire American economy. And historically, that's been one of the best investments you can make. With VTI's historical performance, your $500 monthly investment reaches $1 million in just 24.9 years. That means if you start at 25, you're a millionaire before you turn 50. But what if you want to get there even faster? That's where our second fund comes in. QQQ is the fund that could cut your millionaire timeline down to just 19.3 years. This is where the magic happens. Remember the dot-com boom? The smartphone revolution, the AI explosion happening right now? QQQ has been at the center of every major technological breakthrough of the past 2 decades. This fund has delivered 19.49% average annual returns over the past 10 years, with 17.54% gains in 2025 alone. It contains the 100 most innovative companies on the planet. Here's what makes QQQ so explosive. 60% of this fund is pure technology. Nvidia at 9.2%, Microsoft at 8.39%, Apple at 7.91%. When these giants grow, your wealth explodes with them. Every AI breakthrough, every new iPhone, every cloud computing contract, you're profiting from all of it. Think about it. When ChatGPT took the world by storm, Nvidia's stock skyrocketed because they make the chips that power AI. When everyone started working from home, Microsoft Teams became essential, driving Microsoft's stock higher. QQQ captures all of these technological revolutions. Here's the crazy part. With QQQ's performance, you reach millionaire status in under 20 years. But by year 30, you're sitting on almost $7 million. That's the power of investing in innovation. But what about when the markets get scary? What about protection? That's where our third fund becomes crucial. Meet SCHD, your financial bodyguard. While QQQ gives you growth and VTI gives you diversification, SCHD gives you something even more valuable, peace of mind. This fund pays you while you wait. With a 3.74% dividend yield, it's literally putting money in your pocket every quarter, rain or shine. Even when the stock price isn't moving, you're getting paid. SCHD doesn't just buy any dividend stock. It only invests in companies that have paid dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. We're talking about AbbVie, Chevron, Home Depot, companies that have weathered every storm and kept paying their shareholders. These are the financial fortresses of America, the companies that keep making money whether the economy is booming or struggling. Even in this challenging 2025 market environment, SCHD is still delivering positive returns while maintaining its generous dividend payments. Over the past decade, it's averaged 12.30% annual returns, which gets you to millionaire status in 27.2 years. But here's the emotional benefit that's often overlooked. When the market crashes, and it will crash, SCHD is still sending you checks. While everyone else is panicking about their portfolio losing value, you're collecting dividends and sleeping soundly at night. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to choose just one fund. The real millionaire strategy is combining all three. Think of it like building the perfect investment fortress. You need a solid foundation, that's VTI. You need a growth engine, that's QQQ. And you need a reliable income stream, that's SCHD. The optimal allocation that many financial experts recommend is 40% VTI for your solid foundation, 30% QQQ for your growth accelerator, and 30% SCHD for your income generator and safety net. Let's say you start with $0 today. Every month, you invest $500 split across these three funds. Month 1, you have $500. Month 12, you have $6,000. But here's where compound interest becomes your best friend and time becomes your most powerful ally. By year 5, you'll have around $37,000. Year 10, $95,000. Year 15 brings you to $185,000. By year 20, you've crossed $350,000. Year 25 puts you at $650,000. And by year 30, you're sitting on over $1.3 million. Here's the mind-blowing part. That's only $180,000 of your own money turning into over $1.3 million. The market did the heavy lifting. You just had to be consistent and patient. That extra $1.1 million, that's the magic of compound interest working for you while you sleep, while you're at work, while you're living your life. I know what you're thinking. What if the market crashes? What if these funds stop performing? What if I can't afford $500 every month? Let's talk about 2008. The worst financial crisis in 80 years. Yes, these funds went down. VTI dropped about 37%, QQQ fell even more, and SCHD wasn't immune either. But guess what happened to people who kept investing during that time? They became incredibly wealthy because they were buying shares at massive discount prices. Those who panicked and sold locked in their losses. Those who stayed the course and kept investing bought shares for pennies on the dollar. The key lesson from every market crash in history is this: markets always recover, and they always reach new highs. Always. The S&P 500 has never failed to recover from a crash when given enough time. Never. And the beautiful thing about dollar cost averaging with these three funds is that market crashes actually help you. When prices drop, your $500 buys more shares. When prices recover, those extra shares multiply your gains. Can't afford $500 every month? That's perfectly fine. Start with $100. Start with $50. Start with whatever you can afford. The key isn't the amount, it's the consistency. The math still works, it just takes a little longer. A $100 monthly investment still makes you wealthy. It just might take 35 years instead of 25. And forget about timing the market. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. The best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Here's the thing about compound interest that most people don't understand. Every day you wait is money you'll never get back. If you start this strategy at 25, you're a millionaire by 45. Wait until 35 to start, you're looking at 55 before you hit that 7-figure mark. Wait until 45, you might not reach millionaire status until your late 60s, if at all. The clock is ticking, and time is the one resource you can never buy more of. Remember Sarah from the beginning? She didn't have any special knowledge. She wasn't a finance expert. She didn't have insider information or a crystal ball. She just understood that small, consistent actions compound into extraordinary results. She understood that building wealth isn't about making perfect investment decisions or timing the market. It's about starting early, staying consistent, and letting time work its magic. 20 years from now, you'll either be wishing you had started today, or you'll be thanking yourself that you did. The choice is yours, but the opportunity won't wait forever. These three funds, VTI, QQQ, and SCHD, have created more millionaires than any get-rich-quick scheme ever will. They're not exciting, they're not trendy, but they work. And in a world full of financial noise and complexity, sometimes the simple, boring approach is exactly what you need to build extraordinary wealth. Your future millionaire self is counting on the decision you make today. Don't let them down. If this video just changed your perspective on building wealth, smash that like button to help other future millionaires find this strategy, subscribe for more life-changing financial content, and drop a comment telling me which fund you're most excited to start investing in. Let's build wealth together. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.